everyone, today we're going to be making my favourite breakfast, the Get It Jelly Yoghurt. So let's go on to that. First, we're going to put a handful of sea moss that has been washed and soaked for 24 hours. Then we're going to add 250 ml of oats milk. Then we're going to add 300 grams of blueberries. Then we're going to add 2.5 bananas. Now I'm going to blend this. And see you after it's done. Now it's finished blending, let's dish it out. Now, let's add some oats. Now some blueberries. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.